Choosing the right air fryers, I've put the top 5 contenders of 2024 through their paces, testing their functionality, performance, and ease of use. Here's a deep dive into each air fryer, along with my personal experience. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. This powerhouse boasts a large 5.2-liter capacity, perfect for families or those who love to batch cook. It features a sleek digital interface with pre-programmed settings for common foods like fries, wings, and fish. During testing, I was impressed by its even cooking and crispy results, particularly on frozen French fries. However, the size can be cumbersome for smaller kitchens, and the digital display might feel overwhelming for some users. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook. This air fryer takes the guesswork out of cooking with its innovative Clear Cook window. You can monitor your food in real time without opening the fryer, preventing heat loss and ensuring perfect results. The 6-quart capacity offers ample space for most meals, and the intuitive controls make it a breeze to operate. In my experience, the Clear Cook window was a game changer, allowing me to adjust cooking times and avoid overcooked food. Additionally, the included rotisserie basket creates perfectly crispy rotisserie chicken. Number 3. Dash Compact Air Fryer. For those with limited counter space, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is a lifesaver. Its 2.6-quart capacity makes it ideal for single-person servings or small snacks. Despite its compact size, it packs a punch with its efficient heating element and user-friendly controls. While testing, I found it perfect for air-frying single portions of vegetables or small batches of wings. However, its limited capacity might not be suitable for larger families or those who frequently cook in bulk. Number 4. Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. This multifunctional appliance combines the convenience of a toaster oven with the versatility of an air fryer. Its spacious 18-liter capacity allows you to air fry, bake, toast, and broil, making it ideal for kitchens where counter space is at a premium. I loved its versatility and the ability to cook a variety of dishes. However, the larger size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens, and the learning curve for mastering all its functions could be steeper compared to dedicated air fryers. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate. This 8-quart air fryer and pressure cooker combo is the ultimate space saver, offering 2 functionalities in one appliance. It boasts a pressure cooker function for quick and delicious meals alongside the air frying capabilities. During testing, I found it incredibly convenient to switch between pressure cooking and air frying for different dishes. However, the pressure cooker function requires additional safety considerations and might be intimidating for first-time users. Additionally, its larger size demands dedicated counter space.